Hi guys, this is Rajiv Nedungadi here, and today I'm going to unbox the 4K Ultra HD Blu-ray of It's a Wonderful Life, starring James Stewart and Donna Reed. Here is the spine, and here is the back. So we have some special features. As you can see, it's restoring a beloved classic, Secrets from the Vault, It's a Wonderful Life, It's a Wonderful Rap Party. That's the special features. It's digitally restored and remastered. It's a drama family fantasy film, and we have English True HD 2.0 audio, French, German, Italian, Spanish, Latin American. Subtitles is English, Danish, Dutch, Finnish, French, German, Italian, Norwegian, Spanish. Subtitles, and the movie runtime is approximately 130 minutes. So let me just unbox this. Okay, so here is the disc. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, please click on like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.